Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to unbox the brand new Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's finally here, so start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I was supposed to get this on last Friday on a release date, and FedEx and Best Buy messed up my order so bad that I finally got it, and it's the following Tuesday. So I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys so I could show you guys that I will have more content of the 14 Pro Max on the channel. So if you guys didn't know, this is a kind of a purple color here, so I did go with the deep purple. It looks like, you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. And on the tabs, so you have tabs here that you can open this up. So if you guys didn't know, this does actually have eSIM now, so you don't have a physical SIM card for the versions that they have in the United States. And as you can tell, I did actually sell my Apple Watch because I might get the Series 8. I'm not positively sure, but from first glance, you could definitely see that purple. Maybe on camera, it does resemble kind of like a space gray, but from certain angles, especially from behind the camera, you could definitely see it. So yeah, it really looks really cool, and I'm digging that colorway. There have been people from the tech community chat rooms that have been calling this the Thanos iPhone because it does have that Thanos type of color here. You can see that glossy purple here as well. So let's see what you get in the box. So you have your Type-C to Lightning cable, and over here you should have your Apple stickers. It would be cool if they had a purple one. And this is pretty much what it says about the eSIM. So it says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. So I have been using two Androids since I actually sold my 13 Pro Max because I wanted more value. So I actually sold it for like $900. So I really just had to pay a really small difference. But if you guys want to do a little size comparison with some phones that I have been using for the last couple of weeks, well, days, just waiting for the new iPhone. This is the Pixel 6a. This is the Z Fold 4. If you guys didn't know, this is in that huge casing, but it looks like it's very similar in height when it's folded. And the Redmagic 7 Pro, which I have been using as well. This is what it looks like. So it's a little bit taller with that one, but just a beautiful design. Kind of looks the same. You do have a nice little big camera hump there, so you will need a case for this. So let's just take this out. So one of the biggest differences now is it has a different type of notch over there. So if you guys don't know what notch is, that's basically like a tech term to describe the iPhone 10 all the way up to the 13, where you had this big black bar, and it's also on the regular 14s as well. But if you get the 14 Pro or the 14 Pro Max, you will see that this is absolutely changed, and it is crazy how that looks. But just the overall design of it, very nice, like the 13 Pro Max. Very slick, and it's so weird not to see a SIM card like piece there where you would put your SIM card. This is just basically all stainless steel. So really cool. If you guys want to see a bunch of case reviews, I do have a couple of case reviews coming onto the channel. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to know how to screenshot, if you guys want to run through the camera settings, let me know down in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. I'll leave the specs down below as well. So really nice. I really like this color. The white one, which is actually silver, the silver iPhone looks really nice, and that one is the most back ordered one. So that's the crazy part about it. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 14 Pro Max and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me set this up so I can get out of here. Man, FedEx took forever.